Hi, Victor here. A new video is out in the channel. Again, it is a compilation of TV snippets, but this time the idea was to show the livelier side of the languages. There are 22 live conversations from morning or evening shows. I try to keep to a similar format, but some of the languages are smaller and the content of similar quality is just not there for them. Well, in some of the shows, they discuss precisely the topic of creating engaging content in native languages for younger generation.
Hali birinci klasta, ikinci klastagi yaşlar teatrga gele tursa, ana tilini, yomakını eşitse, ana tilde spektaklini görse, tilini öğrenmeye rahat olacak.
Zaman balları televizorda bir kere karay başladılar kongosorda. Şuna göre bizim de uydu televizyon kontenti ve tekse.
While the survival of the language may be an urgent topic for a smaller nation, others offer standard morning or daytime shows about health, beauty, and art. The videos are presented in an order that best represents the incredible diversity which you can find in every corner of the Turkic world. The variety of looks, styles, cultural, and lifestyle choices is just striking.
Biz köprek ilişe öğrenmeli, köprek öğrenmeli, ol gowdat ýöne onda da gyzçaga köprek şol öýün işleri bilen meşgullansa men kim göremek taşa.
Şimdi öýün işi, el işi.
Kon sorgazy hem bildiğin gibi aşağı bildiğin gibi azıcık aytırpayın. Çünkü onayda olsalar diye şomkanda çetindir. Tayburlar çetişmeydir.
I can fluently speak only 2 of these languages, but I could pick out many words that are used in an unexpected way. And I noticed also that in younger nations, the trend is to avoid Russian words. In fact, you can hear them correct themselves. Overall, the usage of Russian is very low.
Şunu Med Üniversitede, Lukmançılık Üniversitede.
Padrugam mənə məsləhət gördü. Rəfiqəm məsləhət gördü ki, bəlkə bir yoga.
I hope the video inspires in you the feeling of joy, love, and peace. The links to the full shows and related channels is included with the video. Please feel free to message us, especially if you are a content creator in one of these languages. If you would like to support us morally or materially, the details will be included below. Liking, subscribing, and commenting will make us more visible. And I'm not talking just about the channel, but also the smaller voices in the Turkic world. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll be here for you.